2020, one of the most unprecedented year which changed the lives of the people around the globe. Bangladesh, the 8th most populated country in the world, faced not only COVID-19 pandemic but also disasters like Cyclone Amphan and floods. In 2020, DGHS reported 500,948 people got infected by COVID-19, with 700,452 related deaths in Bangladesh. Countrywide lockdown shattered the healthcare system and the economy of the country. World Vision reported 95% of household livelihoods activities affected, and 50% of people had limited access to public or private health services in its operational areas due to the pandemic. On 20 May 2020, Cyclone Amphan hit Bangladesh and caused its destruction among 26 districts across the country and left 26 people dead. Cyclone Amphan affected more than 1 million people in 9 districts in Khulna and Borishal divisions of Bangladesh on that day. Need Assessment Working Group reported a total 2.6 million people, including 660,000 children in 19 districts, were affected. In 2020, Bangladesh also experienced the most prolonged monsoon floods in the decades that has left 93 people dead. The floods affected over 5.4 million people, including 2.28 million children, leaving 1/3 of the country submerged. A large number of people lost their last resort of livelihood, heavily impacting food security, wash, protection, health, and education due to the cyclone and the flood. But the story didn't end here. World Vision brought hope and joy to the lives of the most vulnerable children, their families, and their communities by deepening its commitment of going further than we imagined. In March 2020, World Vision launched its COVID-19 Emergency Response COVA program in Bangladesh. World Vision reached 2.09 million people, including 868,163 children with life-saving assistance like food, cash, healthcare support, and psychological support. Before the cyclone hit, volunteers disseminated alert messages in the community. Dry food and drinking water were procured to support people in the cyclone shelters of our operating areas. World Vision, in partnership with UNICEF, supported improving protection services to the most vulnerable women and children affected by Cyclone Amphan. World Vision reached 34,528 people, including 14,456 children with psychological support at 4 upojelas in Khulna, Satkhira, and Barguna districts through the project. World Vision reached a total of 192,843 flood-affected people, including 91,957 children with life-sustaining support with the funding from Star Fund UK Aid, World Vision Canada, the Government of Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, and UNOPS. For the response, World Vision was geared up with skilled and experienced human resources, innovative systems, and technologies in place. Last Mile Mobile Solution LMMS, COBO, mobile money transfer were used for cost-effective, improved, faster, and fairer aid distribution with reporting. Throughout the response, World Vision worked in coordination with government, donors, partner NGOs and INGOs, peers, media, and relevant stakeholders.
We all know that Bangladesh is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world. Since 1972, every year, World Vision has been working with the government to respond to disasters in Bangladesh. When disaster strikes, we are on the ground quickly providing immediate support, and we stay helping to rebuild the lives of children, families, and communities. We thank all of you for your support in making this happen, and we hope to move forward with this partnership to reach out to the most vulnerable people, especially the children of Bangladesh.